Right?
Do you want to come down?
No, I'm alright up here, thank you. I've put a notice on the door. That's the contract that I'm working off today. So I've got a signed document from the council that explains that I remain open. And it's on the front door. It's signed by Louise Hilton.
Well, I can't see all of that.
You can see it.
No, I can only see the bottom part of it.
So that's a wet signature from an officer from the council.
He's refusing to engage with me. Only speaks to me from an upper floor window.
There's no reason to come down.
Well, there is every reason, isn't there?
I'm here lawfully.
No, you're not here lawfully.
I've got it in a written document on the front door with a wet signature from an officer of the council.
Well, are you going to show me the rest of
That's
that
contractual
letter?
law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Officer, have you spoke to a sergeant?
No, I'm speaking with the control room.
With the control room.
I'll just stick my camera on as well.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm fully respectful towards the police. I just want to get that across. I'm not trying to make your day hard work. I'm just here lawfully.
Unfortunately, that's not the case.
It's going to be Alexander, isn't it? You've been done before for refusing to give details for COVID breach.
And what happened with that? Do you know?
What do you think about Alexander? Isn't it?
That's an assumption. Officer?
Are you going to come down and open the door for us?
There's no
Alexander,
reason
if
to.
that's your first name.
That's an assumption. Excuse me, officer. I just want to let you know, I'll be holding you personally liable
Well, that's fine.
as a man.
Right, well, Fitz's won't be, will they? So, the choice is yours, pal.
Are you going to force entry?
Yeah?
Excuse me, officer. Officer. No. Excuse me. I want to speak to you. I want to speak to you, sir. Sir. I want to speak to you. What's his badge number, please?
Morning.
Morning.
Now then, I believe you're breaking and entering.
Not this one, son, not. No. Who are you?
I'm Sean.
Sean, what's your role in this matter?
I've been asked to come down and have a look at what's going on. Because apparently you're not giving him your number and I can't see any numbers.
Open your
Where's
eyes.
your lapel?
There it is.
Now then. Are you aware of the 9 principles of law enforcement?
Pardon?
Are you aware of the 9 principles of law enforcement?
You tell it.
Well, basically, to service law, you haven't to be pandering to public opinion or policy.
All right.
So right now, you appear to be operating under policy.
All right.
Which means you're not servicing the law.
Marvellous.
Which means you could be impersonating a police constable. That is a criminal offence. And it carries a 6-month jail sentence.
Marvellous. I look forward to you taking that to court, Sean.
Well, that's good. So are you breaking and entering into this building? Preventing trade?
Breaking and entering at the moment.
Well, I'm looking at what that is.
Well, you look at it.
It doesn't look very good to me.
Well, you can read into it what you want.
Well, what should I read into it? Let's say that's mine. I'm round the back of a property. How would you see it as a police constable?
Sean, I don't need to answer to you.
Well, actually you do, because I'm the public, and right now I'm in service of law, and you're not.
Right.
So what we need is your duty inspector down here now.
My duty inspector is going to come out and speak with you, Sean.
Well, your duty inspector's the liable man.
Right.
Alright, and you. So I'd suggest he comes down here now so he can explain himself.
Right, well, who are you, Sean?
I'm Sean.
Sean what?
I'm a man.
Well,
There is no surname, no surety.
right, they
Okay.
won't come out to speak to any Sean, will they?
It doesn't matter. Because what we need this to do is go to court. Because the only way we're going to show the English how to be English is by showing you guys not being English.
Right.
All right. So why have you not got numbers on your lapels anymore?
Sean, you can see a colour number.
I can
That's
see a
all that
number.
matters.
Well, what's your name?
Well, you don't need a name.
Why
You've got
don't
a
I
number.
need your name? If I'm taking you to court, my friend, I can't take a number to court. I need a name.
Here.
What's your name?
Contact links your constabulary and ask for 3846. It will give you the details.
Well, that'll all come as we move. But what we need to understand now is what is that, and is that yours?
And I don't feel sure
Is it
that
yours?
I need to answer your questions.
You do, my friend. Look, I don't want to be in this position, neither do you. But we're in this position.
No, we're not.
Because all of a sudden, we've got people trying to stop people from trading.
No, he's not allowed to trade.
He is
No,
allowed to
no, he
trade.
isn't.
He's been knocked off
Under COVID restrictions.
COVID restrictions.
240, he's not allowed to trade.
Right.
That is why we're here.
That takes us back to policy.
Right.
COVID Act is policy, it's not law.
Right, set Boris to court.
Well, you don't need to tell me how to move this forward. What I'm saying is you've created a situation now, you guys, on your own. That doesn't look good to me. I believe you've told this guy here who's trading that you're going to break in, forced entry.
I've lost my tooth out. Do we have anyone on from the council at this moment in time? Do we have anyone on from trading standards?
Can't see any numbers, my dear.
Yeah, they're on the...
2390.
Yeah, and just to advise you, I've got my body cam on, okay?
Excellent. No, is that yours, that equipment on the floor?
Yeah, there's 2 environmental health officers on the way down to meet us.
Excellent.
Just, came around to let
And
you
what's
know.
your name?
It's PC 2390 the dog.
Is that your name?
Yeah, that's my name.
Not very bright, you are you?
It will.
Right, I just wondered why you were recording my colleague's car. I wasn't recording anything. Okay, you just had your mobile phone pointed. No, you're not under arrest, sir. I just wondered why you were filming my colleague's vehicle.
He has every right to film your vehicle. Yeah, I'm not speaking for you, pal.
I'll wait round the back.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You alright? I'm alright.
We've got some environmental coming.
Right,
So we'll have a chat with them.
no problem.
And who are you, sir, please?
I'm Sean.
Sean.
There's no surname idea, we don't get surety. Okay, I'm a man, an Englishman. And I'm in law, servicing law. Right now you're servicing policy, which means you're acting contrary to law. Okay? So you've got that to answer. Not, you can't hide behind your uniform. Because right now I'm looking to be a person who's the police principal. You're servicing policy. I'm servicing law. I understand it. Okay, so I'm going to need your name. You refuse to give me your name.
I did not refuse to give
I'm
you
struggling
your
to
name.
find your number. Well, what is your name?
It's 2390.
2390 the dog Scott, which I told
That's
you
not
when we
a
were
name.
around.
That's
It
a
is a
title.
name.
What is your name?
PC
No.
2390 the dog
See,
Scott.
now I've got you for lying. You're not a constable. You're a police officer. So PC stands for police constable, not police officer. What's your rank, sir? What's your rank? Are you a PC or an officer? You're not a police constable. Let's stop using the term PC, shall we? Thank you very much.
Thank you, pal. I appreciate that.
That's great. If you
Thank you.
stand too and just witness, that would be excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Did you get his name?
We're not giving names.
No, did you get his name, like? No.
No. I've got his number, everything, but
You got his number?
got all the numbers. Apart from this guy. What's your number, young man?
6901, thanks.
And you claim it to be a PC, but then you claim it to be an officer.
Police constable.
You have a bit of controversy there, young man. Are you servicing law or are you servicing policy? Which is why we need your duty inspector here now. I need somebody here who understands the difference between law and policy.
The duty inspector wouldn't tell you any difference.
Well, the
As
duty
I've
I beg to differ.
explained,
I've spoke to him.
Today for this action
What
by
action?
his officers, you, and the third party who's disappeared with a weapon. Now, if I were around the back of an house with that weapon and you came upon me, what would you think? You'd be thinking I were up for breaking and entering, would you not? You would. So that's exactly how I'm seeing it, and exactly how we've got it on
Sean,
video.
I'm not going to engage any further with you.
You
You're
don't
not
have
going
a
to
choice.
divulge
Right
me your
now, I hold the
details, so
standing
I'm
in
not
law,
going to divulge
and you don't.
any further information.
And I'm looking at two people, a man and a woman, impersonating a police constable by wearing police attire. Do it. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
You're breaking more rules right now than you can imagine.
They're also breaking the law.
I'm trading lawfully.
Because they're not allowed
What?
to.
Which law? Which law? That's not law.
It's the law.
It's not law.
Government policy, my dear.
It's the coronavirus.
Hello?
regulation. Okay. Please can you stop filming?
They won't let us speak to a sergeant, Mum. That's the thing. So they don't understand law. Every single person here doesn't understand law.
Stop shouting on Steve. Can we not just have a chat?
Yeah, we can have a chat. Look at this assault here. Look at this assault. Look at this assault. He's removed his phone. Look at this. Assault. This is assault. Assault. This is assault. Duty inspector, we need one. 4576 has turned up. 7955 has turned up. 7325 community support officers.
Alistair, how many clients have you got in there?
I'm not obliged to answer that question.
Because anyone that's in there is breaking the law. Because in tier 4 you're only allowed to leave your home.
And
so to
I
speak,
want proof that that's law, because it's not law.
essential and hairdressing and barbering.
This is why we need to speak to a sergeant at least. You're not letting us speak to a duty inspector. I spoke to a duty inspector last time and everything was fine. I spoke to Gareth Brooks. Gareth Brooks, it was fine. Gareth Brooks will prove this. Speak to Gareth Brooks, the duty inspector. All right? I want to speak to Gareth Brooks. Well, that's fine. But I'm telling you, I spoke to Gareth Brooks before, everything was fine.
Right. Can we not come in for a chat? Can we have a chat?
I can speak to you here, thank you.
But it would be better for us to come and speak inside to you, Alistair.
No, it wouldn't.
I have a reason.
They have every reason to be here.
Okay, I'm asking
Community support officers here.
to leave the area. You have no valid reason.
Of course they do, it's a public place.
You've established that.
It's the public highway.
So you need to leave.
You don't need to leave.
Explained myself.
Don't need to leave. Right, pal. I'm just struggling a bit at a minute. Are you booked in? Oh, right, no worries. It's criminal damage if they do. Trust me. Right, there you go. We're waiting for a duty inspector to arrive who does understand the law. And then he's going to tell all these lot what's going on. That's not law. Look at this. Harassment. Police harassment. 2390 harassment.
But I'm not asking you again. Leave the area. Otherwise,
Harassment. Look at that. If you touch her, it's assault.
right.
Look at the harassment. 2390.
Okay.
So, we're back to. So, can you issue with me then? You're not going to break it.
Yes.
I'm assured Alistair was
Yes.
report any damage. Okay.
As I said, I've met you before.
Pardon?
I've met you before.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm from the council.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to trade, as in...
That's not true. I'm here lawfully, trading lawfully. I am.
You're not trading lawfully.
I don't know your understanding of law, but I'm here trading lawfully. And a duty inspector is going to arrive and he will tell all you lot what's going on.
Please. Not asking again.
He has every reason to be on the public highway.
But, Alistair, we can serve another notice to prohibit you from operating.
That won't be acknowledged or accepted.
Why will it not be acknowledged or accepted?
I'm not obliged to answer that question.
If you don't.
It's 2390 harassing every member of public that comes up. The officer next to her is the one that committed assault. (6901) committed assault. Assault and kidnap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police cars. Look at this kidnap here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 police cars. Look at this waste of resources. Scratching their heads for a reason why he's been arrested. Look at him. He's looking confused. Just turned up in a van. 2 police vans, 3 police cars, and a TAC ops. Whatever that is. Yes.
So, whatever, as you don't know, but you've got to know that it's not permitted for this type of activity.
Right, you hold no jurisdiction over me whatsoever. There's no contract between me and you. No, just one sec. There's no contract between me and you permitting you to have jurisdiction over me. The contract that is in force is on the front door with a wet signature from you that says I remain open. Therefore, I'm lawfully here today.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Officers, I'm here trading as a man and I have every lawful reason to be here.
So, can I finish what I started?
Yep.
So, what the activity that you're carrying out is not permitted under Tier 4, and anybody who comes to get the haircut is also breaking the law because they can.
They're not breaking the law. Which law?
They're breaking the law.
Which law?
Coronavirus regulations.
Regulations. Or regulations law?
Carrying on.
Are regulations law?
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
So if you carry on cutting hair, we've got the business information officers. So what we will do is we'll serve you another prohibition notice.
It won't be accepted
If you break
or
that
acknowledged.
law, we will then take you to court.
I'm happy to go to court.
Understand?
I'm happy to go to court. I'll be making a claim against you if I'm in court. You personally.
For what reason?
For trespass.
I'm not trespassing.
You don't understand what trespass means.
I'm not trespassing.
Right,
I'm
pal.
on public highway.
Yeah, man.
So as long as you know that I've explained to you, you're not permitted to carry out that activity.
I'm not entering into any sort of contract with you today, apart from the one that's on the front door that permits me to be open.
Alistair, that does not permit you to be open.
I'm not entering into any
Prohibition
sort of
law.
contract with you today. No.
You keep going on about that contract. So in a sense, we do have a contract because my name's on that paper.
Permitting me to be open.
No, that contract does not permit you to be open.
Read it.
I've got.
I invite both of you to go and read that document that I've stuck on the
I
door.
have it at work. I don't need to read it.
You don't need to read
You're
it.
not showing the whole document.
It doesn't matter. Whatever's on that document, he's got a wet signature from you.
We're showing my signature, and that's not the whole document. What I can do is I can go and get a copy of the document that I sent to you on the.
I don't need the
8th of
document.
November,
I'm
and
here
I can
lawfully.
stick it on because
I'm here lawfully. As a man, trading
that's not
lawfully.
lawful what you put in because it's not
I'm
correct.
here lawfully.
It's not fact.
I'm here lawfully. And I'm ready to stand up in court to prove that I'm here lawfully. I hope you're ready.
I am ready.
Good. Good.
I am ready. So, as I said, I've explained to you what you can and can't do. If you wish to carry on putting there, then we'll have no alternative but to serve another prohibition or a direction order on you.
It won't be accepted or acknowledged.
So, you cannot trade full stop.
Are you finished?
Yes.
Here today, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Look at all this waste of police and public resources. One, two, three, four, five, 6 people's wages are being paid out of the public purse for this.
Oh my god. Go on, Alistair. Can you book me in for 3 o'clock? Behave yourself.
Yes. Got an ambulance here now. Sergeant's arrived. I don't understand why there's an ambulance here. Respect the police force. No,
I'm not standing here
3, 2, 4. No, listen.
repeating what's already been said.
No, I'm not here to repeat anything, sir.
Filmed by you.
I'm not. I don't. Listen, you. I witnessed an assault on the member of the public by 6901. 6901. I witnessed an assault and I've got it on camera. Thank you. Look at this harassment. Harassment. 2 officers here. Harassment. CID. All the officers have left now and this is harassment, Louise Hilton. Harassment. And you. Gone. Harassment again. VE55PNN. Harassment. Harassment! Excuse me, officers. Excuse me. Excuse me. Could I get your badge numbers, please? Your badge numbers, please. No. You're harassing me. This is harassment. What's your badge numbers, please? Need your badge numbers, please. You're harassing me. All the police have gone now. All the police have gone. This is harassment. Badge numbers, please. You two are members of a public service corporation. I'm a member of the public. Could I have your badge numbers, please? So, industry and prudence. Badge numbers, please, officer. Could I have your badge numbers? No. 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 You're harassing me. This is harassment. You're harassing me. I've done nothing wrong in the eyes of the law and you're harassing me. This is harassment. Harassment. Harassment here. Harassment, these two. Harassing me. These two police officers, CID.
Oh, yeah.
Harassment.
Why are you harassing me?
They're just sat there watching the shop. All the police have gone. They won't give me the badge numbers.
You're a Burnley fan.
Yeah.
Burnley fan. Couldn't get any worse.